Hi, this is Josh, Dream Body Clinic. In this video, you're going to see Dr. Dezawa was doing a presentation for our doctors and myself and the team to explain the Muse cells. And here she's explaining how Muse cells are immunoprotected, sort of like the mesenchymal stem cells, in the sense that they don't exhibit HLA markers. So this is why you can take them from other people and not have any rejection. So for over 7 years, they've been doing studies in Japan. Over 200 people have received these, and there's never been an HLA mismatch type issue that would cause something like graft versus host, because everybody's HLA is different. It's called human leukocyte antigen. That's the marker of your cells that says it's from yourself. So if I take cells from someone else, mesenchymal stem cells or Muse cells, because they don't exhibit that HLA in a way that your immune system will react, they're considered immune privileged. They're basically invisible to the immune system. So that's why we can take these from the mesenchymal stem cell cultures, stress those out until we're left with Muse cells, and give these to people. So we're taking them just like the mesenchymal stem cells from umbilical cord and placenta. They're super safe. And here you can watch Dr. Dezawa explain that.
And also, this number one is proved in the clinical trials. And then HLA mismatched donor Muse cells have not been rejected for 7 years up to now in Japan. That was first started in 2018. I will show you in the later slides. And that was, the first moment that we started the first in-human clinical trial. And since then, we have challenged 7 kinds of the clinical trials in Japan. For up to 200 patients in Japan had received the HLA mismatched donor Muse cells. There are no sign of the rejection up to now, so you can use it safely. All right.
Have they ever used them for people with graft versus host?
Graft? No, we didn't. But I think,
I know MSCs have. So.
but maybe we can use it just also for GVHD, right?
Yeah, because I had seen for MSCs, they found if they did it during the transplant, they could lower the amount of the immunosuppressant.
That will be due to the temporal the immunosuppression. But Muse cells have temporal suppression plus immunotolerance. That's the reason why. But I will tell you later why so different between Muse and MSCs in both, okay?